Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Mr. Technover. If you are one of those lads who desperately want to use TikTok but can't because the application has been banned in your region, by the government of course, and now you don't know what to do, then this video is for you. So let's get into it. The first thing you have to do is to open your browser and visit this site. Don't worry, I'll provide the link in my description. When you'll visit this page, it might show you some ads. All you have to do is to press back and then it should redirect you to this page again. Once you are on this page, you'll see 4 options here. And keep in mind, do not download the global version because it's not gonna work no matter how hard you try, unless you use a paid VPN. But hey, who wants to pay for using TikTok? But if you don't mind paying, then the best recommendation would be NordVPN, and yeah, it works fine. Anyways, we were on the download page and here I downloaded the third one, which is 91.96 MB, and I recommend you to do the same because the odds are in my favor. At least that's what I think. Once the download process starts, it might check your patience because it took me about 8 to 10 minutes to download. I'm not sure if it was my internet connection or it was just the web page. Well, you're gonna know yourself. After downloading the APK, you have to install it, which is obvious. Then open the app and log into your existing account or create a new one and enjoy using TikTok. But if you live in India and you are a Jio user, then you'll have to use a VPN for using it. I suggest using TurboVPN Lite, which is a free VPN, although you have to watch some ads. But don't worry, it won't show you ads outside the app. However, if you are an Airtel user, you don't need any VPN for using it. Do let me know if it worked for you as well, and make sure to follow me on TikTok. I've just created an account there. And yeah, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. Let's catch up soon. Till then, peace out.